And this is how I try to characterize things. And all right, so I look at each session as its period of money. Okay, and I compartmentalize my day. And you guys have seen me do this example in previous recordings, but it's really critical at the moment. Okay, so I see Asia to London as its own period of money. So 8 a.m. Tokyo to 8 a.m. London, and then London Open, 8 a.m. London through to around London lunch. So somewhere in the vicinity of, say, 1 o'clock in the afternoon for London. Okay, so 1300 here. Okay, and I'm going to call it London lunch. I see these two blocks of time as two individual periods of money flow in the market. Okay? Thank you, Philip. I think, yeah, if we get time, we'll look at the Aussie. Otherwise, I'll do a video on it tomorrow. How's that sound? Or today? I don't bill, but you can email me for it. I'll send it out to you. Okay. So if we do something like this, okay, let's say New York takes you up and then we open Asia at support, and this is what we talked about last time. Asia is likely to take you up, and then sort of midnight Eastern, pre-London kicks in and continues you. And then you start the day at resistance, London kicks in, and you do this. Oh, wow, that looks like a euro-dollar chart and an Aussie-dollar chart, does it not? And guess what? Yesterday we had the exact reciprocal. We had Asia opening at resistance. It then traded us down. We had a pre-London continuation, and then we had a reversal as London open. Why? Because traders like to buy low and sell high. I mean, really, that is by itself logic that's going to make you money, isn't it? Time of day kicks in. You had S2 on the Aussie yesterday and a previous level of daily support. What do you think's going to happen? It looks catastrophically bearish, but nobody wants to sell it at the lows, at support, at the market open. You break support, well, now you're onto something different. Now you're going to fall through the floor. But if you're holding support at a market open, you're going up. However, this is a period of the market here that we can capture. Is it not? So roughly from midnight Eastern, so 5 a.m. London, or 5 a.m. GMT, through to about 7:30, I just drew a 3. Have another one. 7:30 a.m. is a little pre-London trade. Yes, it is. Okay? So if we're going to trade in general between, say, 6 a.m. London and 7:30, what trade direction should we be looking at by default? Yes. Yes, Mopos. And you're going to see this happen a lot. So I'm saying that, really, yeah, we've been in a downtrend, but we haven't. Guys, if Asia to London Open is one block of money, and we trading between 6 a.m. and 7:30, what direction should we look to trade in every day? It's laid out for you. The same as Asia. There we go. That's it. Well, it just depends, Boyke. Okay, look, you're absolutely right. You're absolutely right, Boyke. I mean, you've got 4 options. If you're at resistance, okay, this is a sliding scale. It's a sliding scale, right? Because if you do something like this, let's say that Asia opens you on the highs, okay? And then what's likely to happen is you pop up a little bit more, you go down, pre-London takes you down a little bit. Okay, let's say that Asia kind of takes you down halfway to support. pre-London fades you back, and now you're at resistance, London Open, you're going to go with the Asia move. It just depends whether you're at support or resistance relative to the market open. Okay? But I'm saying that this trade here between sort of 6 and 7:30, you're going to be able to pick up that trade 2-3 times a week for 40 or 50 pips in the direction of Asia, and it's very easy to identify, guys.